heading to get a new pair of glasses today, because I'm now at an age where your eyesight does start to change, and I have been wearing glasses for a while for reading and so on, but I wouldn't say I'm in my late 40s yet, because I'm still only 46, and even though some people might say technically I am in my late 40s, I'm not accepting that until I'm about 49. But there's no doubt things change and your eyesight does deteriorate, especially when you're reading and you're using computers so much and devices. Definitely takes its toll. So I'm off to get new glasses, new lenses and so on today to help me see better. And it's sort of occurred to me that, you know, if you do have trouble seeing, then you will go to an optician and you'll get glasses and you'll wear them to improve your visibility. And it does make me wonder why a lot of small businesses and family business owners don't take the visibility, I suppose, of their own business and their own numbers in their business much more seriously, as you would do for your physical health and your eyesight. And if any small business owners or family business owners have any thoughts on that, please do comment below. I'd be keen to sort of understand it. We certainly try to encourage clients to talk to us more regularly. I've done a video on why those extra meetings can add so much more value to the relationship between an accountant and the advisors, the accountant and the client, and how it adds value to a business to kind of have those conversations more often. But I'm just interested to know why most small businesses don't do that. So we met with a client, for example, this morning, and they are on an annual package with us, as all clients will have at least that level of service. That's the normal level of service, or the traditional, shall we say, level of service. But it's much more effective to talk more often. And at the start of the meeting, I said, "Can you tell me how business is going?" And they jokingly said, "Well, hopefully you'll tell us." Now, I think that was said with a bit of tongue in cheek, because I think they know how busy they've been, what their turnover kind of looks like. The finance person in the business does look at Xero and checks how they're doing on a regular basis, but still would rely, I suppose, on a conversation with the experts, with the accountants, to tell them exactly how they're doing and what ways they can change those results as well. So I would be interested to find out why most business owners, are they not aware maybe that accountants are able to or do offer that service, because it's something that we want all of our clients to actually avail of, probably on at least a quarterly basis. I think is most productive, especially when you're in a VAT registered business as well, folks. Turnover certainly, 150,000, 200,000, certainly at 250, you do need to have a better control and a grasp of your financial situation. Is it fear that maybe causes small business owners to not look at their numbers? Is it the fear of what it might say? Fear of what the tax implications and what the tax bill is going to be looking like? Or maybe just not wanting to change your ways. Maybe you just want to keep doing what you're doing and you kind of work week to week and month to month. But if you've any ambitions to create a future for yourself and for your family, and to build some wealth, and when I say wealth, I don't mean extremely rich multi-millionaire type stuff. I mean, building up a couple of £100,000 pension fund, if that's what your ambition is, so that you can retire comfortably, it really is important to look at these numbers and understand these numbers on a much more regular basis. But I'd be keen to know why small business owners shy away from that. Is it lack of knowledge that that's what they should be doing? Is it the fear of maybe the additional cost of having that service built into your package with your accountant? Is there a fear of what those numbers might look like? Is it a fear of just not understanding what the numbers are meant to be telling you? And just to put it in perspective, like, all of those fears can be overcome if you've got a good accountant or a good advisor on board. So comment and let me know if you've any thoughts on that. And if you're in a business where you just don't feel like you're getting that level of service and it's exactly what you want, and you're not on cloud systems yet, such as Xero, then please give me a shout. I just want to get businesses to be able to see their numbers live, real time, on a regular basis, and get the knowledge and understanding that they need to change those figures and to impact on their future as well.